Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a grill gift, a barbecue gift that Dad will actually love, enjoy, and put a whole lot of use to. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I have gone ahead and done, let me get these things out of the way. You see I have quite a few things here on this table, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do before I do that base is I want to get this straight. So this is going to be for my seasonings. Alright, so let's get this done. Alright? First thing we're going to do is, so I've already gotten this piece together. And it's a utility, little utility container. I have gone ahead and stuffed it with some paper and tissue paper and gave it some volume and packed it good. Okay, and then I put in some barbecue sauce, some steak sauce. We have some 3 different kinds of seasonings here, 4 different kinds of seasonings. We have a mustard and ketchup container, and also the beer mug and a hand towel. Alright, so we're going to place that in here. Let's first get our grill over here. I want to show you what I've done. Not the grill, excuse me, the ice chest. So I have this ice chest, and I have gone ahead and attached the back to the ice chest, okay, and sat it up. So it's taped up there good. I even put a little bit of hot glue right here. It doesn't hurt anything, okay, to hold it together. And I packed it really good, okay. There's a big box in here, and then I put some paper around it to give it some stability, and it's not too heavy. It's not heavy at all. Okay? So, what's the first thing? What is the first thing? We're doing this together, okay? All these different grill parts, okay? So I'm trying to decide how do I want to place this. I think I might actually leave that like that. I also have some briquettes. Let me put that right there. We have the grill bake mats. There's 2 in the package. I'll put that there like that. Go ahead and put this. Where is this gonna go? Hold on, let's see here. So I want this to sit inside. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Thinking it through and working it out at the same time. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that looks good. We also have football cutting board. Let's see. We could put you like that. also have some bamboo skewers. You can put them right here. Or we'll fix that in 1 second. Excuse me. Hold on, not that yet. Let's put the aluminum foil here. Come on. There we go. Then we also have some citronella incense sticks. I'm thinking. Let's turn it around. That looks good. Ooh. Okay, I'll attach it in a second. I'm just trying to see where I'm going to put things at. Okay, I think I like that. Let me get some glue dots. I have more that's going in here. I'm not finished yet, but we need to get you attached so you can stop that falling. Okay. Because nobody has time for any of that. Alright. One more over here. There we go. That looks good so far. We also have, I probably should have did this first. I have an apron, okay? And the apron says, King of the Grill. King of the Grill. Okay. Yes. So, I'm going to fold this up some. I hope you can see. Stack some. Fold that way. Fold this way. And give me 1 second. All right. Let me make sure you can see. Yes, very good. So I'm going to use my tagger. I'm going to attach this just because I want it to stay in this fashion. Okay? You'll see what I mean in a second. Because I probably am not making any sense. I'm trying though. Okay? So that's what I did. And that held that together. See that? And it doesn't hurt anything. So now, haha. You see that? Yeah. I'm going to figure this out in just a minute. In just a minute. Like, how do I want to do it? You could do it like this. But you can't see. Alright, I'm going to fix that. 1 second. We have some more things we want to add. So, let's add, turn this back around for you. a food tent. So let's put the food tent right here. Okay. So the food tent is there. Now we have, oh, this is packed nice. Now we have some little mitts and a sign. I'm still thinking it through, okay? Still thinking it through. I like that. Okay, look. I have this compass bracelet that does a bunch of stuff. Yeah. I got this on Temu, and I think this would be perfect to add. Let's see. Where do we want to put you? Because we want you to be seen. Okay. We want you to be seen. Let's put you like that. Okay? And back to figuring this out. Actually, I think I should have brought that up a little bit more. Let's see. Man, the myth. Yeah, that part is not going to show. The man, the myth. I can't see what that says. The man, the myth, the something. What does that say? If you understand what that says, please tell me, because I don't know. I bought it. I didn't make it. And it's the first time I noticed that. Okay? So tell me, what does it say? Because I must not be saying it right. Okay. I'm actually going to do this one more time. One more time. Don't worry, this does not hurt anything. In case you are worried, it does not hurt anything. They do this to all of our stuff in the stores. In one side and out the other side. Oh, that was good that time. Much better. Much better. I want to tuck it a little bit, just like that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of tape on there. You'll probably be laughing in a minute because I said a little bit. That's how I do. That's how I do. And yes, I am going to put this in a bag. But right now, I want to make sure it looks better. Right now. I also want to make sure that when it gets wrapped, this part does not wrinkle up. And so if I tape it down like this right now, This should be fine. Yeah. Okay, we got a few gaps that we need to fill in. Just a few. Not much, not much, not much. Okay, not much. And this is a little bitty shred. It's going to fill those areas in. Okay. 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 So, I truly cannot wait to hear what you think. Tell me what you think about this. Did I do too much? I actually took some stuff out. Okay. I redid this gift 2 times. Yes, I did. The first time was in a totally different container, and I thought, hey, let's try the ice chest. And then I just kept putting more stuff in. Yeah. But what do you think? I want to hear about it. Okay. Until next time.